of the Waipi'o area. It's like 7:15 a.m. This road was recommended to me by the local bike shop. So I know nothing about it. They said that it will remind me of Italy and Ireland and just a windy little path. So there's a vanilla company up here, the first commercial vanilla grown in the United States. Started in like, I think 1998, and they had no idea what they were doing, but they figured it out, and it's thriving. Definitely has a rural farm feel. It's not open yet, but when it is, you can get sodas, ice cream, milkshakes. Pretty cool. Say, moral of the story, ask your local bike shop for a route recommendation, always. So I'm ending at this place called Tex Drive-in. It's been there since the 60s. And they are known for diner food, but also these special donuts. So that'll be good.